If Steam games updates feel way slower than they should, especially for large games, here is how to speed them up properly. First, go to the Steam icon up top and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Downloads. Change your download region to nearby location that's less busy. This alone can massively improve update speeds. Next, make sure no limits are set on the bandwidth limit. Set it to no limit and turn off throttle downloads while streaming. Now, pause the update, fully exit Steam, then reopen it and resume the update. This refreshes Steam's servers and often fixes stuck or slow updates. Very important, Steam updates are often limited by disk speed, not internet. If you're updating on a slow HDD, it will crawl. Move the game to an SSD if possible. Updates apply much faster on SSDs. Close background apps like browsers, launchers, and cloud sync tools. They can slow down both network and disk usage. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Steam commonly throttles VPN traffic during updates. Advanced tip, go to downloads and then click on clear download cache. Restart stream, then try again. This fixes corrupted or slow update data. Finally, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for stable speeds. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.